All right, so here's part 2 of our virtual open house. So here we have the curriculum for language arts for 6th grade. Just to get right to the actual standards, in 6th grade, we have a few different strands. The first one is the reading standards for literature, and then it breaks down into clusters. So we have key idea and details, which consists of citing text evidence, determining theme and central idea, how does a particular story plot unfold, just to name a few. Oops. One second here. There we go. Okay. We have standards for informational text. So here again, text evidence, central idea, key details. And then craft and structure, integration of knowledge and ideas. Then for our writing standards, we use a program called WriteScore. And in 6th grade, students will write, they will write a narrative, but most of the writing in 6th grade is academic writing. So they'll be able to write argumentative essay and stating a claim and providing evidence that supports that claim. Also, expository or informational writing along with research this year. Comprehension and collaboration, so there are standards for that as well. Engaging effectively in a range of collaborative discussions, as well as creating group projects, which is going to be really cool to do this year, being that we're using Google Classroom and Google Drive platform. Okay, and then also conventions of standard English, so that is the grammar and spelling, punctuation. So there is that, and then I just want to switch over to mathematics. So math is broken down into the different domains. So we have ratios and proportional relationships. So unit rates. Okay, using ratio for real world math problems. Okay, another domain is the number system. So that's computing quotients of fractions, solving problems, fluently dividing multi-digit numbers, which is using the standard algorithm. That's what we began with this year. Fluently add, subtract, multiply, and divide multi-digit decimals. The greatest common factor, least common multiple. Okay, order of operations, rational numbers. Let's see. Okay, and then the next domain is expressions and equations. So that's what we're working on now. With the order of operations, as well as powers and exponent. Just give you the next. And then there's the geometry domain. So the area of right angles, triangles, quadrilaterals, and polygons. And we also have statistics and probability this year. All right, so this is the end of part 2, and it looks like I will have a part 3 to briefly go over the curriculum for our science and world history.